ocean liner. No one could rock the microphone finer. East, West, North, South Carolina, Allison River, they're chillin' at Mel's Diner. Off to China, cause I got a show there. Get my passport, then I'm gonna go there. Who do I know there? I guess no one, but I will have fun and I get the job done. On the airplane, moving like the Concorde. Come and join me, everybody on board. You won't be bored with the stuff I'm picking up. Watch me quicken up with the pace I'm picking up. Pick up the pace. Never cursing, rocking a microphone with a style that I'm rehearsing. In person, that means lava, swimming and slimming just like a deep sea diver. I'll arrive just to go faster, grab the microphone to show that I am the master of disaster, cooking up a potion with a funky rasta for the people into motion. Of the ocean, moving like the water. Here's the menu, go place your order. It's a slaughter, a felony and chatter, and pick down at the pace is this subject matter. Take a look at the crowd and take a look at my face. Listen to my rhyme and listen to them yell. It's like a man in jail getting out of his cell. I don't know why they go by weak names and swear that they're so fly. They gotta try it again to rock the mic, my friend. Go from A to Z and from beginning to end. Now I could go slower like the other